Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show you configuration of a simple diagram. Just our FortiGate firewall and I'm connecting 4 different PCs. In this, as you can see in the diagram, this 2 PC I'm going to configure as static IP in the PCs, and this 2 PC is getting IP by DHCP. So it's really simple configuration. We can start from the scratch. This is actually follow up for the last video. As you can see, I already explained how to configure in FortiGate in GNS3, and the basic configuration already I explained it. So let's start. So I'm going to add the PC from the beginning, so it will be helpful for you people. So first you select browse and device. Okay, just click VPCS, PC1, select GNS3 VM. Okay, this is running on my VM. Okay, press OK. So PC1, right click and duplicate it. So you don't need to click drag, no need for that one. So just duplicate PC3, duplicate PC4. So total 4 PC I'm going to configure. Okay, and add the link from the FortiGate port number 2, PC number 1. Okay, port number 3 to PC number 2. Okay, and port number 4 to PC number 3, port number 5 to PC number 4. So now go to the browser and open your Fortinet, log in with your email address and password. In my previous video I already show you how to add this one. Okay, so you can refer my previous video if you have not aware of these things. So just delete the previous configurations. I already did this one, so don't want this configuration. Just disable. Okay, okay, just a minute, I need to delete this one. Okay, now from the web. So this is my previous configuration. I don't want this here. Okay. See, security profile, work, static port. Okay guys, so as I shown you in my previous video, the WAN port I already configured. So as you can see here, I given the alias name as WAN. Okay, and the IP address I given by manually. Okay, fine. So that's it, and net mask also. After that, press OK. So first thing, your device need to get the internet. This is the first thing. Okay, this is the main thing. So first we can check it out, if your internet is working or not. Just ping 8.8.8.8, press enter. No, it's not the command. The command is execute. Let me check. The command is just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. Execute ping 8.8.8.8. Press enter. So first we can check internet is working or not. See, the ping is failed. It means you cannot able to ping to the Google. Internet is not working. So what you have to do is, you already add the WAN. You give the manual IP and the gateway already. So next thing you have to do is, you need to add the static route. Then only the internet is going to work on this one. Okay. So open the network static route, and after that create new. Okay, and the destination is out, so 0. Gateway, you can give your gateway address. Mine is 1.1. Interface WAN. So this WAN we configured over there, right? That one only. Okay, now that's it. Okay, press enter. So status is enabled. Now we can check the ping. Sorry guys. Press enter. See, now it's pinging perfectly. Here 118, timing is good, package is received, 0 packet loss, working perfect, internet is working. So first step is done. Next thing is, we need to add this to PC manually. So I can mark it, I think, using this one. Okay, I think it's not this one. Not familiar with this. Okay, I'll write it here. Which one we can use? ABC. Okay, first, as you can see, this port number PC1 and PC2, I'm going to add static. Okay, static IP addressing PC1 and PC2. So for that one, you just need to open your network interface and port number 2 and port number 3, right? So you can see visible the port number here. So port number 2 and port number 3 we connected for this one. Okay, I will show you the show node information. So no. Okay, so as you can see here, port number 1 is connected to either number 2, it means the cloud, it's connected. Port number 2 is connected to PC1. Port number 3 is connected to PC2. So this two port we are going to configure with the static IP address. Okay guys, so just open my FortiGate, port number 2 and port number 3. First you have to create new interface you are going to create. Okay, I am giving this one name LAN space static. Okay, LAN alias name same I can give, no problem, static. Okay, press enter. Now type is, it's a switch, right? So you can give software switch. Somewhere it will show VLAN switch or something. Okay, so I'm giving here software switch. It is switch actually, just the whatever it is receiving it will pass through. So this is the switch, software switch. You can select, it's fine. Interface number, so we are going to add port numbers, port number 2, port number 3. Okay, the role is LAN, and IP address as I told you before, I'm giving it's by static. So 192.168.25.1/24. okay, so administrative access I'm giving ping, SSH, HTTP, it's okay, speed test fine. DHCP server no need to enable, okay, because you are not going to give the address by DHCP, you are giving address by the static. Okay, so 25 range I'm giving. Now press enter. So as you can see here, LAN static, software switch, port number 2, port number 3 you added, and these are the details. Okay, so now we have to configure policies. Okay, we have to configure the policy, then only it's going to work. So the policy we have to come in incoming interface. In incoming interface you can give the LAN details. Okay, policy we are going to add HTTP, HTTPS and DNS. Okay, so incoming interface is we are going to select LAN. This route is coming from the LAN, right? So LAN source address incoming. Okay, and IPNet mask, destination address we are going to give just a minute. Just a minute. Oh, I chose the wrong one. I think static routes policy. We have to select the policy and IPv4 policy we have to select. Okay, so firewall policy, open the firewall. Yeah, we have to select policy, firewall policy. Okay, then create new one. You can give the name for this one. So I'm giving the name LAN side hyphen static. Okay, incoming interface is LAN. Okay, so I given over there it's LAN. Okay, you can select that one. Go into the WAN port number 1, so that one, and the source IP. All you have to traffic. So destination also you have to traffic all. No scheduled services. So here is the thing, guys. You never miss these three: HTTP, HTTPS, and the DNS. These three must you have to add. Then only your internet is going to work. and if you want to add ping, whatever the service it wants, you can add it here. Okay, then only when it is going to go. So these three you must need to add: DNS, HTTP, HTTPS. Okay. Then NAT, you should enable the NAT always. Okay, NAT should be enabled. And come down, 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 down. That's it, guys. So there are some other features it's offering. You can add the antivirus, web filtering and all. You can enable, you can create some web filtering, like if you want to block some IP and all, or some website, you can do that. So later on videos I will discuss you guys, I will explain you that. Right now I'm just doing the basic configuration. So press OK. So that's it, guys. You just need to the LAN IP address and the policy. That's it. You have to do in the firewall side. Now you can go back to your PC. Okay, so you can give the PC IP addresses. Okay, so PC1, open the PC1. Here you can open it by CLI. Node you should start. Okay, all the nodes you should start. Okay, fine. So all the PCs are on now. Double click. Okay, PC1. Just check first what is the IP is coming up. Show IP. As you can see here, guys, there is no IP at the moment. Now I'm going to add the IP address. It's simple. The IP address, if you want to give the static, just need to type IP address. That's it, guys. I will show you the commands for that one. Just type IP space 192.168.25. I'm starting from 10. Okay, why I am doing this IP range, I will show you here previously. Network interface, we added the LAN side 25 range. Okay, so we are going to add that one, 25.10, and subnet mask 24 space gateway. You can add, you need to add the gateway as well. Okay, don't forget this one, guys. This is important. Gateway 192.168.25.1. okay, press enter. So it's done now. Now you can check the IP address is assigned or what. Show. See, guys, here your IP is assigned gateway. So everything is ready. Now you can ping Google and check internet is working or not. Yeah, it's fine, perfect. The first one will be timeout when you are doing the first time. Okay, it's no problem. We'll ping it again, show you. See, so internet is working for the PC. So I configure the internet by manually. So yeah, by static. So it's working fine, and now you can see it's a timeout. Why this happened? Why it's happened? Timeout. Why it is timeout? Let check up, guys, what happened. Let me check the, everything seems to be normal. No configuration. IP address is there. Okay, gateway is there. DNS actually not required. Show IP. Now we can ping it again and check. No problem. Ping .8. ICMP sequence. Okay, do one thing. Try to ping to the firewall 10.39.1.1.51. Okay, there is a ping to firewall already, no problem. So ping to the Google is not working. Let me check my gateway. Mhm. Ping 192.168.25.1. My gateway is pinging, so but internet is not working. I think there is some issue in firewall. No, it's working fine. I think sometimes it's we are doing it virtually, right? That's why maybe mismatching. But it is the configuration, guys. This would work perfectly, no problem. So same way we can configure the second PC also. Okay, let's open PC number 2, and this one also I'm going configure by static. Just write IP 192.168.25.11/24 space. I'm going to give the gateway as well. Gateway use must, guys. You should not forget this one, because otherwise checking for the duplicate addressing. Fine, it's assigned. Now we can check the IP. Yeah, it's assigned 11. Now try to ping the Google like .8.8.8. Perfect, it's working fine. Both PCs are, internet is working. Okay guys, it's done. Now it's statically we assigned the IP. Now we need to assign by DHCP. Okay, first go to FortiGate Firewall again, create new interface. Okay, you can give the name LAN space DHCP. Okay, alias name also duplicate entry found DHCP. Okay, DHCP1 I'm giving. Okay, LAN hyphen DHCP. Okay, 1. Okay, I'm giving this, and it's a switch, software switch. Okay, interface member, so we need to add port number 4 and port number 5. See, these are the port number 4. See, as you can see here in the list, port number 3 is PC2, port number 4 is PC3, port number 5 is PC4. Okay, PC3 and 4 we are going to configure port number 4, port number 5. That's it. And the role is LAN. Okay, and you have to write the IP address 192.168.30.1. 30 range I'm going to give. Okay, /24, and HTTP ping SSH. That's it. Speed test, fine. And DHCP server you need to enable. Okay, this is the difference, guys. In the static we didn't enable DHCP server. Okay, here we are going to give the IP address by DHCP for the PCs. Automatically it will get IP, so you should have to enable the DHCP server option. So after that you should DHCP server range, it's starting from 3.2 to 254. You can adjust the range, any range you want. You can give here from 25 to here up to 30, whatever it is, it's up to you. Okay, and net mask would be same. Default gateway is same as interface IP, so it will be 1. DNS same as, if you want a different DNS you can give that one as well. And advanced time zone, net boosting, whatever it is, no need to do any changes here. That's it. Here's press OK. Now next step, we need to add the policy. Every time you have to add the policy in the FortiGate firewall. This is the, you can add anything by writing by yourself. This is the good one of the benefit when you are using the FortiGate firewall. So create new. I'm going to give this name as LAN-DHCP1. Okay, incoming interface is LAN DHCP1. Okay, I mean, I just now configure that one, right? And outgoing is WAN, going outside, right? So WAN. source all, destination all, not any specific. I'm going to select services. As I added, you can add the all one also here, so it will going to enable every possibilities. Okay, so I don't need that one. I will add manually whatever just I need. DNS and ping also. Let's say action net should be enabled. No, I'm not going to add any of these services at the moment. Okay, so you know why this is showing up the red once you configure this first time? Because there is no port connected. I mean that PC is not configured yet, that's why. So console PC number 3, let's check the IP first. Show, see there is no IP, so we need to configure it by DHCP. So it's simple in the PC DHCP, enter. Wait for some time. Dora. Yeah, it's done. You can see the IP address assigned is 25 and the gateway is 30.1. Oh, there is some mistake. How should it assign DHCP? Let me check. There is some mistake in the configuration. No, it's fine, perfectly fine. Yeah, the IP address is 30.1, gateway is 30.1, DHCP server, fine. DNS, you can, if you want, you can assign manually, no problem. See, I will show you my network interface. See, as you can see here guys, 30.1. okay, so we are giving the range in between 30.25 plus 30.30. we are giving the range in between this one. So for the putty we got it what, 30.25 range. Okay, so IP address range actually same 30.25 to 30, so in between that IP address only it will give the IP. So that's it guys, hope you guys are all doing well, all understand the concept. So basic the configuration. Next video we can do some other NAT configuration and all. So see you guys, have a nice day.